Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming. And did you just deleted an important file or a video or photo or any documentation, alright, and you're in state of panic right now? Don't worry, because right now you are in a very safe spot because you have found the right video. Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys how you guys can recover any deleted files, data, or any other photos or videos that you have on your storage device, your hard disk, your SSD, alright, your SD card, all this, and it can be recoverable. And this is not any video that show how to recover from recycle bin. This is a real data recovery video. So what is the tool that I'm going to use to recover the data? Well, it is with the help of this software right here. So this is the 𝖩.𝖥 Windows Data Recovery Pro, and this thing has been a lifesaver for me very much because, alright, as a content creator and as a business owner, I deal with a lot of different files, alright, image, videos, all this and that, and some of the time I do delete some of the thing unexpectedly when I actually hit the delete key on my keyboard, and or some data corruptions, all this and that, which is a very common issue. Or if I just click on the delete button on my camera, alright, and it just deleted the video that I recorded for 2 hours and it just gone in an instant. Alright, so this has been really time saver for me because I can actually recover it using this software right here, with just this software, which is really amazing. Alright, so without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software itself, and followed by actually deleting some important files on my SD card, and after that recovering it. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software first, and you guys can see what are the features it has. Alright, so as you guys can see right behind me, this is the TensorShare 𝖩.𝖥 data recovery software. You guys can see you can recover from all different kinds of things. Alright, you can recover from your solid state drive, you have hard disk, all these, or multiple drive. You can also detect and recover them. You can do SD card recovery, camera recovery, cloud drive, crash PC, NAS data recovery as well, and file repair and toolbox as well. So they have a lot of ways that you guys can actually recover deleted data. So right now I'm gonna just plug in my SD card, or SD card connected to my USB stick. Or I can just plug it in and you guys can see what are the important files or any files you have inside here. So I just plug it into my PC and you guys can see, alright, the software automatically detects the USB drive over here, and you guys can see these other contents inside my USB drive. So you guys can see this folder names important files, and I do have important PDF, important photos, video, and Word document as well. So for photo, let me just show you some random photos, just more of photos I do. Okay, anime as important, and some important Word documents. You guys can see these are some of the important Word documents over here. Alright, so these are actual files and folders right over here. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go back here. Alright, you guys can see this is my USB drive. Alright, I will click on this. I am going to delete it. So I'm going to just click on that and delete it. So bam. Alright, it is gone. Alright, so if I go to my recycle bin, you guys can see my recycle bin on my system is empty as well. So there is no way of me recovering it back. So if I go to my folders again, I go to this PC, if I go to this one, you guys can see the important files folder is completely gone. So all the important files inside that folder is gone completely. There's no way of recovering it back. Alright, so what I'm going to do, well, this is where this software comes in handy. So I'm just click on my USB drive over here. Well, obviously this also works on any other drive, like I said earlier on, like your SSD, your hard disk, all this and that. But for today's demonstration's sake, I'm going to just use the USB drive. So I just click on scan, and if you just want to specifically recover like maybe just a document, or you guys can just select document only and unselect the rest, so the scans will be much faster, so you can quickly find the files that you want. If not, alright, you guys can select everything, because my one contains quite a few things. I'm gonna just select everything and it will scan all types of file. So while we're scanning, alright, you can just wait for a while it scans, and it has automatically found 1.91 gigabytes of data over here. Alright, but if you go to my one, alright, you guys can see, alright, all this data over here, if I go to properties, alright, it is only 89 megabytes only. So where did all the rest of the 2.22 gigs of data come from? Well, this is probably from the the lifespan of this SD card, because I've been using this SD card for various things for many years now. So these are some of the files and pictures and all this from like many years back, and right now you guys can see, right, do you guys see that important files folder over here? Right, they have found back this right here. They have found back my file. Alright, although I didn't delete that like very long ago, but you guys can see, alright, you guys can see it's over here. And can I preview it? Yes, I can. So I can see this is the image that was, the important image you guys can see right over here. Alright, important PDF, important Word document, and as well as important video right here. So yeah, they have found it. Alright, and yeah, it's still loading while it's scanning, so I just stop the scanning. But we're gonna let it scan for a while. But you guys can also preview it. But it has found the file that I just deleted, and there's no way of recovering it. So if you just deleted that on the SD card, there's no way of recovering it back. Alright, but with this software, you guys can see it's right here and it's in the file itself. That's really, really incredible. And you guys can see, alright, they do have files like from like, back in like many years back. You guys can see, alright. So you guys can see some of the reconstructed files, some photos I have it over here. Or you guys can see some of the photos I have it over here. I don't know how long ago was this from, alright. And they have like some audio. I do have some audios over here. Look at that. I have some audios, found some audios. Alright, these are all from the SD card itself. Isn't that incredible? Alright, these are all from the SD card itself from many, many years back. Alright, and they managed to like find like all these files, all this and that from just the SD card. You guys can see, alright, from my SD card itself, there's only like 1, 2, 3, 4 different kinds of files over here. But in this software itself, you guys can see they have so many files, so many file type has been found, alright, all from many years back. I even have one from like the year 2000. Alright, so yeah, you guys can see how long this SD card has been. Alright, so which is really incredible. Alright, there's some photos over here, some icons over here. I have no idea. PNG, or some has preview, or this does have a preview, which is really cool. Alright, so we're gonna let it load for a while. Alright, we do have some videos over here as well. Found it from like many years back. Archive emails, others as well. I have like some program files over here. Alright, which is pretty insane. Alright, I would say like pretty insane. I have some musics over here as well. Alright, and ringtone podcast. Alright, really cool. Alright, so basically you have found the important files I want. Alright, so for example, okay, I'm going to stop scanning. You guys can see you have found 27.09 gigabytes of data inside this thing. Alright, if I like scan for more, there's way more. You guys can see it's been increasing. So if when you deleted the file, or technically the bits and data are in there, alright, but this software just basically reconstruct it back, which is really cool and really awesome. Now you can see it's going up 32.55 GB. I'm going to stop it for now. Alright, so I'm going to stop it for now. Alright, and just focus on, let's not focus on the rest of the files that has existed, which is really cool. So if you have like some file that is like you deleted like many years back, alright, you guys can also get it back. So which is one of the really amazing features of this standard share for the 𝖩 data recovery. Alright, but you guys can see, alright, the Word documents, all these photos, all this, alright, has been recovered. And this is a video. Look at that. Alright, this is the video, and it can preview the video itself that is being deleted. That is crazy. That is really crazy. Look at that. Alright. Alright. And I had to recover it to view in the PDF, obviously. Alright, but you guys can see, alright, the Word document. I don't know if you can do it for Word document or not. Oh yes, it can. Well, you can actually do it for Word documents. So yeah, you can preview some files here and there. But if you guys want to recover it back and just like select all the important videos, important picture, important this one, and important this can recover. Alright, you guys can select where you want to recover to. You can recover back to your USB drive. You can recover it back to the USB drive that I initially have, and just click on save now and save anyway. Alright, and it will start importing it back to my files. Alright, so it has been recovered. Alright, and if I go on the view recover, you guys can see, alright, it's in my USB drive. If I go to the USB drive, you can go to 40𝖩, important files. Oh, my things is there. Let's see if it can be opened. Alright, important PDF. Yes, it can be opened. Alright, important photo. Yep, it can be opened. Important video. Yep, it can be played. And important Word documents, it can be opened as well. There we go. So you guys can see this is how easy you guys can recover your deleted files and data using this software and everything. Now I recover, everything still works. I can still open the file without any issues or any corrupted error or anything. It just works so perfectly and so amazing. So now you guys know why I like this software a lot, and this has been such a lifesaver for me, especially. It can save me so much time rather than redoing all those things, or like all those like video I had to refilm again, or even like some documentation. I just like completed the documentation and bam, I deleted it and I have to redo again. So with this, I can actually recover it, and it is so useful. And they have like, you guys can filter it, or you guys can arrange it in certain ways, and you guys can find certain file types, modified time, file size, so easier to find the file that you're looking for. So they have a lot of filter. You guys can filter it, alright, and you make your like finding files so much more easier. All right, so you guys can see, all right, because I stopped at around 50+%, there's 32.55 gigabytes being scanned, so there's a lot of deleted files throughout the whole lifespan of this SD card. So as you guys can see, all right, this is an actual data recovery software that can actually delete data that is deemed unrecoverable, then this works on any storage that you have, so which is really super incredible. So yeah, if you're out there looking for a real data recovery software and not those gimmicky one that actually recover from recycle bin, you guys can check out this 4DDIG Windows Data Recovery Pro. I'll link them the first link in the video description down below, and you guys can go ahead and get it for yourself right now and start recovering all the important lost files that you have, or you just deleted it away and don't have to panic or worry about it anymore in the future of you accidentally deleting any files anymore. Alright, so yeah, so once again, if you guys want to check out this 4DDIG TenderShare 4DDIG data recovery, you guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and start recovering your data right now. So that's all for today, guys. If you find today's video did help you save your time and save your life, do give it a thumbs up and comment down below anything you want to say. Alright, and that's all for today, guys, and this is 𝖩force Gaming. I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.